his name is Miss Maria.
Kakak tua raja.
Yeah, kakak tua raja. That's right. Maria is a black palm cockatoo in cat family. It is one of the biggest cockatoos in the world. They can grow up to a half meter in height and nearly 1 meter wingspan. And the black palm cockatoo is the only bird in the bird kingdom that has space between the top and the bottom bill. There is a gap here. The top is like a hammer and the bottom bill is like an ant bill. It helps them to crack the nuts. Have a look when Maria is in the dinner. She will take off the skin first and then crack the nuts little by little. Look at that, very interesting. Nah, jadi kakak tua raja ini merupakan kakak tua terbesar di dunia. Di mana spesies ini mampu tumbuh hingga setengah meter tingginya dengan bentangan sayapnya mencapai 1 meter. Dan ini merupakan satu-satunya burung di kerajaan burung di mana paruh atas dan bawahnya tidak menyatu. Jadi ada celah. Paruh atasnya itu berfungsi sebagai palu, sedangkan paruh bawahnya sebagai penumpuk kacanya. Nah, sekarang kita fokus ke jamurnya Maria. Mau coba disentuh? Jamurnya ini digunakan untuk berkomunikasi di alam. Ketika spesies ini merasa sangat bahagia, dia akan membuka jamurnya. Now let's go to the crack at the top of Karakat. Wanna try to touch Maria? It's a form of communication of this bird in the jungle. It tells the other bird when they're getting happy, ready to live, and have a good time. Alright, thank you. How about you on the side? You can touch the crack on the back like this. It's very soft. So the cockatoo are considered to be very intelligent. It is because their ability to mimic, and they use mimicry in their own environment to attract their mates. Hi, you try? Have water. You can touch the crack on the back. It's very soft, isn't it? Wow. And this black palm cockatoo that come from Papua Island in Indonesia. Adanya mau coba? Okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have one more question for you. Could you tell me how long the black palm cockatoo can live up to in the wild? How many years maybe?
Ini ya.
Sorry?
Ini ya.
100. Any idea? Berapa lama kira-kira dia bisa bertahan hidup di alam?
20 tahun.
20? 20 years? Any idea? No more idea? Alright, let me tell you everybody, black palm cockatoo in the wild. They can live up to 100 years. You're right, 100 years. So long. But Maria still young. She's only 7 years old now, still baby, and her mother around 32 years old. They can grow again until a half meter in height. And it is all for Maria. Thanks a lot. Now everybody, let's meet the colorful bird with a long tail. Her name is Ella. Let's call it Ella. Ella, how about this coming? Good girl. Alright everybody, do you remember what kind of bird is it? That's right.
Parrot.
So Ella is a green-winged macaw in parrot family. It is one of the biggest macaws in the world. This species comes from the Amazon River in South of America. But Ella was born here at the Bali Bird Park around 11 years ago. And that's part of a successful breeding program. All macaws have a unique physical characteristics. They have a broad head, slim body, long tail, and also fantastic color plumage. Not only have beautiful appearance, but macaws also have amazing personality. They are incredibly intelligent. Alright, one more more time, have a look when Ella flies. She looks so beautiful with her magnificent bright color and also long tail. Flying is the most natural behavior for all of the birds, and flying helps them to maintain their cardiac, vascular, and also mental health. In the wild, these lovely macaws they can live up to 8 years, enjoying fruit, seeds, and also seeds. I think that's all for Ella. Everybody here, please say bye to Ella. Bye-bye. Let's meet the last star. Yeah, champion. So the last star, its name is Jakey. Jakey is our blue and gold macaw. Just like the other macaw, this species comes from the Amazon River in South of America. But Jakey was born here at the Bali Bear Park around 3 years ago. He's a baby now, just 3 years old. Same like the other macaw, they can live up to 8 years. And this species will enjoy fruit, seeds, and peanuts. Now I need one person to feed Jakey. One try. Five our hand, yes.
Wah, bunga lo.
Yes, Alright, thank you. And now let's everybody how macaws open the peanuts. Look at it. They use the powerful beak and tongue to crack the peanuts. He doesn't like the skin. Very clever. And this macaw is quite heavy, around 1.5 kilos. Now, any strong boys or girls will hold Jakey for one try. One person, raise up your hand. Okay. Thank you.
Foto aja.
Iya, aku lagi rekam ah.
Alright, then here. Picture me and put your hand like this. Alright. Now, open your hand and give it to him. Thank you. And everybody say Jakey is our last star for this swallowing counter. And for the next 10 minutes, we have the session with Jakey and also Maria. Once again, thank you very much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the rest of your holiday in wonderful island of Bali. Thank you. Bye-bye. If you want to take a picture, please come closer. Thank you.
Berat ya?
Sebelah sini biar nggak bebas. Sorry. Adiknya mau sebelah sini nggak?
Ah, jangan lagi tur.
Sebelah sini deh fotonya. Nah, ada di sini foto bang.
Foto sini.
Mau ikutan nggak? Biar kakak bantu.
Oke.
Jakey dan biru.
Mau dong rangkongnya?
Oh, rangkungnya nggak bisa.
Nggak bisa?
Iya.
Ah, jangan cicip baju aku.
Udah.
Adiknya mau coba?
Nggak usah.
Dia suka reptil.
Oh. Who is next? Stand here, please.
It's okay, we just wanna touch a bit.
Nggak tahu.
Ya, sebelah ya.